In front of me is DOOGEE Fire 7 and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, go into settings and scroll all the way down right away. Then tap on About Phone at the bottom and tap on device name available here. Now you can type in whatever you want to, and when you're ready, hit OK in the pop-up. Make sure to also click OK in a second one about visibility, because without it, your name won't be saved. As you can see, name of my DOOGEE has changed. This operation will also change your device Bluetooth name. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!